Just wanted to do a quick video on a little project that I did. I'm a weekend welder. This is really not my thing. I'm actually an electrician by trade, but I do my little things at home. So I wanted a cart. I had this one from Harbor Freight. I had it a few years. It's not horrible, but it's just real basic. So I wanted to get something better, and you know, I'm on a budget, so I went to Harbor Freight, and they're about $200 for a nice little cart. So long story short, this goes on top of that. This is they sell these at Walmart. You know, again, this is on a budget. This isn't, you know, anything expensive. So they sell this kit for about $100 at Walmart. I was on OfferUp, and somebody was selling one. I ended up picking it up for $60. So I'm not gonna use this piece. I did use this piece. And now this is for my situation. I already had this one, so I took the base off with the wheels. I barely had to modify, just had to cut this lip out so I could sit the box on it. Then I just tack welded the bag, a couple little tacks here, and I welded the bottom, then just sprayed it with a can. And it works for me. The other thing I like is this has a lip. Now that lip was preventing me from opening this. So I would have to lift the machine up a little, open it, and voila. This box does not have that lip, which is actually perfect. You see that? It doesn't hit anything. The other issue is this gap here. When I had the hose, my regulator hose, which is down on the bottom, when it's sitting on here, it's like sitting right on the tank. So now I have a couple inches here, and actually, if I would have thought about it a little better, I could have moved this up another inch, and I would have had even more clearance. But I did have the hose on there, and it was fine. You know, it was just barely touching the back of this. What I did is I drilled a couple of 1/4-inch holes on the bottom here with these butterfly type nuts. So if I need to take it out, I just spin these off, and then under that I got regular nuts. So this machine is actually perfect. Put a lock washer in there so the screw will stay there, or the bolt. So there it is. I mean, literally I paid $40 for the 2 pieces, and did a couple little mods, and it worked. I still have the chain that goes around here, but I use one of these rubber straps. I drilled a couple holes, and it's really tight now. Now around the back, this had a couple brackets here for the hoses. I didn't like the setup on that. It had one on each side, and I put them next to each other, right in front of each other, so that I'm able to wrap my cables around there. So there it is. Thank you for watching.